Hi guys, quite a common question we get asked is how you would make a scaffold board, tabletop, desktop or bench. So today I'm going to run through the method that I would use to make one of these. Like and subscribe using the buttons below, and please share on your socials. So I've got my 3 scaffold boards semi-finished and almost to the size that I'd like them to be. So now I want to lay out and see how my table bench looks. One half-finished tabletop. So there's a couple of fixing methods that you can use for these. I am going to use a biscuit jointer, which is this machine here. What this does is this cuts a little slit along each piece of timber and allows me to put a little biscuit piece in, which is one of these, and then glue it and clamp it together so that I get a nice tight fixing. So I understand that not everyone has a biscuit jointer and this may not be the method that you'd like to use. Another very simple method that you can use is fixing from the underside. So you've laid your 3 pieces out and you're nice and flush on your ends. And you can do a simpler fixing, just fitting some batten on the underside and screwing in. That'll lock your 3 pieces together, but you will get a little bit of movement as time goes on. Hence why I'd like to use a biscuit joint and glue it and make sure I get a nice tight line. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out my biscuit joints and start cutting those, and we'll make some progress. Now that I've got all my biscuit holes cut, it's time to glue it and clamp the pieces together. So I'm just going to use your standard Evo stick wood glue, and I'm going to use probably 4 or 5 sash clamps. Just hold it in nice and tight, and then we'll leave it a little bit and we'll come back when they're dry and see how we get on. So I've glued and clamped my 3 pieces together. They're now going to need some time to dry. So we'll call it a day here and we'll check back in part 2 and finish off the bench.